Alright, so you have this math problem here. Solve for x when we have 2x minus 3 over x plus 1 is less than or equal to 1. So first, you have to have a pencil. Never use a pen in math. It's like hard mode. So, what we want to do first, for real, is we want to multiply both sides by x plus 1 to cancel out this denominator. So, by doing so, we get 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to x plus 1. Okay, now we need to get x on only one side of the equation because if we leave it like this, we still have no idea what x is. So what we should do is focus on getting this side to have just x. So we want to add 3 to both sides to cancel out this 3 right here. So now we have 2x is less than or equal to x plus 4. Now to finish this up, we're going to subtract x from both sides to cancel out this one here. So we have remaining with x is less than or equal to 4. Are we done? No. Because we just take a random number that's less than 4, plug it into the equation. For example, let's take 3. So we have 2 times 3 minus 3 over 3 plus 1, which would then become 6 minus 3 over 4. And that will become 3 over 4. That is, of course, less than or equal to 1, being 0.75, so that's correct. Let's try something different now, like negative 2. Let's try negative 2. So, let's go over here now. So we have 2, negative 2, minus 3, x plus, oh no, sorry, negative 2 plus 1. So that we have negative 4 minus 3, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So we have negative 4 minus 3, it's negative 7. 7 over negative 1. However, that's going to the negatives will cancel each other out, and we're left with a regular 7. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty certain that's not less than or equal to 1. So we're obviously not done here, because there has to be a lower limit to x up now. So let's just rewrite x is less than or equal to 4, because that much we know for sure. But now we know x is going to be greater than something as well, or potentially greater than or equal to. So we already know negative 2 is not correct. So what you want to do is maybe just go up step by step. So let's try negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 minus 3 over negative 1 plus 1 equals, so we have negative 2 minus 3 over 0. That will equal 0. Now, that is less than or equal to 1. So, we know negative 1 can be here, and since we used negative 1 and it was still less than or equal to regular 1, we know that's greater than or equal to negative 1. So that is our end point. We have if x is greater than or equal to negative 1 and less than or equal to 4. And that's how you solve this problem. Farewell.